You have to know the structure of life itself. You understand? You work hard to make sure so certain things maintain. Some people can get egg and sausage. And you get egg, sausage, and pancake. You understand me? I say pancake. Pancake is something expensive, you know? Lifestyle alone. Someone you know this, you see, in a life. Don't pick up nobody who can maintain the lifestyle. You understand me? I say?
Daddy,
you like bread? You like bread?
No, me don't.
No, I like bread. So don't pick up certain things where, you know, what your father now go, you know. You look at me when I talk to you?
No, me I look at you, Daddy.
When you say no, you look at me. No means no, you know. Are you looking at me when I'm talking to you? Eh? Jesus Christ. Because sometimes, you say sun hot? How much people pass when the road come up, I walk, and you have AC, well cool and cozy.
Daddy, why problem now?
I'm saying to you, you see, if you reach the age now, you know, so I can't tell you, say you can't have no money and something, you know.
Yes.
But if you have a man, make sure, say, you maintain certain things, you see your foot. You see your foot clean, no dirty foot girl can't go in my car, you know. That more you know. I just you personally no want you here. Because you're afraid you're here, and that's fine. But you know, so when we are touch the road, you have to look decent. Alright, how much people know so this nose in your ear, in your nose is real gold? Eh?
No.
You think I know fake gold, my daughter? Look upon me. You see my standard of dressing? You see this Balenciaga? You understand me I say? At that, you have to maintain standard lifestyle.
Daddy, you come out and say, I'm no say as something you want to tell me. Daddy goes straight to it and what is it?
You know your father?
Why, Papa?
You know your father, man. You know me. I'm proud of that. You understand me I say? But you feel something don't know say. You have one little entanglement of things are going on with this dirty football named Omar. Eh? You feel something don't know that?
Alright, Daddy. Since I know.
Hey, me say if you no have, if I never feel a breadfruit tree in a yard, them dead feeling grow up there, you know. Breadfruit for breakfast, breadfruit for lunch, and breadfruit for dinner. And that you want? And that kind of work this style you want to bring in my royal. Hey, let me tell you this.
Daddy, listen. Right now, you think about money.
Future!
When I think about that, we are think about love. We love one another. We are talking from
love your backside.
Love what? Love your backside, Daddy. When you're in love, no matter to you.
No matter to you, not true?
No.
All when you're up there in the world, my pelt in your belly, nothing matter to you, not true? Eh?
Daddy, why you hate Omar so much?
And no
Because
matter
he
hate,
not have no
listen,
money?
it's not about hating Omar. It's that me have to maintain my thing. And my thing is you. You understand me I say? Girl, you're royalty. You know, hear me I say? Me I spell a Roland. Hey, I don't know now my Roland on the arm in a girl. Yeah? I don't know now my Roland on the arm.
Daddy, me feel like you're too hype.
I know hype girl, you have to maintain lifestyle.
But me I maintain my lifestyle.
You know, maintain. Hey, you see, alright. You see, if you don't choose the way how me I tell you, you understand? You go fall in one category where you go sorry. But you don't understand that, girl. Eh? It's just a constant thing where you know, look upon what me I try to say to you. You gotta wait till you learn. What you think parents are here for? Parents are here for when them experience it, them pick not come experience the same thing. And that me I try to tell you. The damn boy, feed people them, gone a foreign and left him down there. Eh? And that the kind of lifestyle you want? Talk to me and answer me clearly. You know what? Me done with this. You hear me say? Over, so. Come go over. Yeah, come look for me like, you know, hey. You know, hear me say to you? Eh? You know, hear me say to you? Yeah, this is for the father? Eh? Oh, this is for the father, young man? Eh? Come on over, man. Outside. Hard me walk to buy this and boy want come take liberty. You're mad? You must add to it. Feed people them, gone a foreign and left him down there. Eh? And that the kind of lifestyle you want? Eh? Yeah, I never see a man of you know, say, a good thing me see you come, I want to tell you something, you know. Good time, you know, to have a little conversation, a little talk. You understand me? I say, Omar?
Sir, what you could have want to talk to me about?
What do you mean what I want to talk to you about?
Basically, you don't want me in your family and you don't want me to run a daughter. So what you could have really truly want to talk to me about?
Alright, here we go now. Can you say, in this world you have to be a man. You have to man up and understand where you're in life. Your position in regards to who you are, your standard and all them something there.
Sure, me
You
a
have
man.
first class, you have second class, you have middle class, and you have lower class. And guess which class you fall in? Eh? Not even the lower class. Below the belt. Way down. Because uno, yeah.
Maybe. Me not rich and I come from a poor family. But one thing me I tell you, me is not a lower class. But one day me I will get there.
You know, say to be a comedian, eh? I think you need for, you know, sign up for them, you know, like a talk show or like a movie, comedian business. Because really and truly, you don't accept who you are. You have to give an account for who you are now. Listen to me now. See? Me understand that you and my daughter involved in some little shenanigans. You understand? And me really want to know if you know, stop it, basically, cut it off.
Me not understand you're bigger than them. But one thing me can say to you, sir, as much as you know I'm your family, me still respect you. Because my mother grew me up.
Yeah, you have to respect me. You have to, you have to respect
me. But your daughter and you know mix up. Me love your daughter and your daughter love
Shut
me.
your mouth about love. Love. You know what? What is love? You think love is hungry belly? Eh? You think love is poverty? Eh? We are talking about love get you nowhere. So why you love my daughter, so my daughter for death younger, with you don't hear there. I cook porridge and breadfruit. Eh? You think me know say breadfruit and I'm for lunch, breakfast and dinner, dirty boy? Eh? Let me tell you this. Me go strike a deal with you right now. You understand?
Deal.
And when me strike a deal with you, this a deal, yeah, you have to understand, say, after the betterment of you, sir.
Sir.
And for me, listen,
Me a sir now, sir.
yes, man.
You know the only good thing about your family?
What
I
is
just
the
your
good thing?
daughter.
My daughter, not true?
Yeah.
Alright, so make the good thing in my family remain without you the bad thing in the world. How is that? That and that put everything in a proper sentence for you? Right, grammar and all of these things.
It's like how you don't respect me. Please me, I beg you. Just get to the point.
Alright.
You say you want to say something, just get to it and I can go up on my way.
Damn right, because Sunday I'm at go back in my car and burn my damn AC. Right? What is the situation now? I can offer you $300,000. When last I say 300,000, never.
300,000 for what?
300,000
For what?
leave my daughter alone and to actually start your life then. You understand? So you can buy a better damn hat and your damn tear up shirt. You can buy a proper shirt for once in your life. Eh? What is this in your damn hand? Who for place you got teeth it? Eh? Who for place you got teeth it?
My mother brought me up good enough. And I like violence.
Violence?
But make it the first and the last. You put your hand.
You know me?
And one more thing.
You know me?
Sir, don't short at 300,000.
So you say not take a deal.
You can't pay me.
So you say not
You
take a deal.
love your daughter.
No, alright. So, alright. Still love her, but leave her alone, sir. You understand me? I say, I'm going to give you 300,000. You still love her, keep your love to your damn self, and just leave her alone. That is the deal. And guess what now? At the end of the day, you know you need the money. You need the money.
Sir, me not short of money. Whatever me have, God provide more. But now you are going to provide me 300,000. You pay me off to leave your daughter alone. You understand what is love? You understand when somebody love each other?
Mr. Lover boy, are you a shaggy son? Mr. Lover, eh? Are you?
Everything you take funny, don't?
Funny, not funny. What me go do? Me go give me number. See? And when me give my number, Mr. Man, Mr. Lover, you're gonna call me.
Me no need
whenever
number.
You consider or think about the fact say you need this deal. You understand me? I say, me not talk about Cornel, me I talk this a deal, yeah. You understand me? I say, hey, before you talk, nobody say nothing, man. Because we all know how people go on when they hype and go on like say, yeah man, me no need this and me no need that until hungry and the worm then start back. This is my number.
I just tell you before, me no want your money and me no need your number. You don't talk to me, me can't go up on my way right now.
Yes, sir. Same place. You know the time, man. Nice guy, it's about 12:45 right now. Same time. Here? So if you don't want to take it, consider it. See there. Pick it up. Pick it up! Go down to your level.
What goes up must come down. What goes around must come back around. Today, see me?
And we're going to toilet off a flush.
Invite you over. Me never invite you over. And you come on me yard and hide in my bathroom like you want cut line. So here I go on, me will block you. Can me give you a chance. You know much woman have wait for me to call them or text them back. And I tell us if you come tomorrow, you come today. You know no sense. Me have to go black you for that. Don't come back. I didn't father.
What charge? I saw your thing tough, bro.
Tougher than this, bro. Right now, water, I think water down. Believe me.
Bro. But when I go in the streets and everything about you, girl, I talk about, you know.
Killer, if you did link me 2 years back, I know everywhere in the streets, on the dirt road, it's tar, all this a wall you see me near. After you used to go there,
Bro,
but
I
I
don't
a
know
water, I
how
water
you do
down.
it, bro. I don't know how you do it, youth. You're a real girl, listen dog.
On a level. Where are you with this?
But there, this girl is thing me there talk about, say, yo, more want to learn the game and you know, bro. You see me?
Bro, I know you say how you can teach slow now, I tell you the truth.
You can't teach that.
I can show you one or few things, but I don't really say how you can teach. Because you're all going. If you're sauce, not true.
What I mean?
If you're ketchup, not true.
Yeah.
So one ketchup back, I couldn't try to go on sauce, if you get what I say. Alright, but you're all going. Certain tricks and elements to that you know, you can pass on. Like, bro, I'm telling you, the maddest thing you can do, I make a girl laugh.
Bro, come, what one do thing to come ever clean thing, you know?
Not like that.
Why the girl in and talk to me and I don't know a woman and do a woman and say.
I'm telling you,
A woman and have.
you see enough of the time come and know how you talk to them. But them not gonna talk to you. You have to not really brawling on the left, but you know if you approach them like I said. Hello, Mr. White time. You look on your phone. Yeah, it's all 101. So, oh, and then really time spent I'm just going on we are. You know what's
That
up?
bad.
Me I show you, bro.
Me have to go write it down, you know. Me have to write it down. God no. Because I tell you, bro.
Yeah.
I tell him I want to get holy for girl and thing, you know. So, you.
Yeah.
No, they can't give me a lecture to them, they just like. Give me a start.
I'm sure it's good, bro. You see, the biggest thing with being a girl is never make a woman feel like you want them more than them want you. Come on, this is a girl,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
glad saying come over and about a wrong time. So I just block him until next week, and next week, I'm really happy me in my schedule.
How you maintain so much man, bro?
But I rate him, you know.
Yeah.
I rate him for true, but I just don't feel time yet. I look a nice little master man, a nice little brown in front of little Shan. But
Shan?
Slim Shan. I want if I get me a slab.
One day, boy.
Clean, I'm a rate him, man,
I know, bro. I don't know how me know how we develop that. I don't know, because I tell you, me, I run the place hard.
Believe
And I tell you, yo, anywhere me go, any dance, I tell you.
Yeah.
I hear you, me tell them I talk, but I know what I talk to no man, bro. I know.
I don't even know what to say about it, but
Yeah, I'm extremely scared this afternoon, bro. This afternoon, you know,
hold on.
man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, good man.
man, my good man.
Yo, more reason with you know.
Right.
I'll show you a vibe differently, you know. See?
Yeah.
How the brother?
He good, man. He good. Don't worry about it. He good.
You mean good?
Yeah,
I mean,
boy,
no,
man.
me live in that area.
Nah, man. Where I say, man?
The thing I want to talk to you about, but at the end of the day, it's like, I want to know if you can, you know, talk to us.
Father, I can't talk to whom I don't know, you know. No disrespect.
So, you see, you can't hear enough time and think. It's a youth part there, you know. Roll on with big one little girl, you know.
Tell me, see, you can't if you know and then, but Father, I don't know your name. Where you want to talk to me, dude?
Hear what I say? See?
Yeah.
You have a little business I want you to do. See? And you must know from the people what, as I say, you're my daughter. One little short black girl, why not hear her?
My name?
Marika, man.
Marika. Allah, you tell Marika your daughter.
Mm.
Sexy Marika.
You know what I mean, sexy man? Forget that, man.
Sexy brother
Somebody,
Marika.
Marika.
Allah, you tell man.
Me tell this, man. Yo.
No, Father, no disrespect.
But I can't go on like so and talk about my daughter.
No,
You answer me and say,
talk the truth, man.
no, it's truth, it's the truth, but sometimes
That's
you keep the
how we
truth to
know it,
yourself.
man.
Yo, I'm not talking to you now. Back up now, man.
Father, sorry about that, man. I never know your daughter. I never really knew her like that.
You come here and say, bro, you have to understand certain circumstances, you know. You answer me and say, but
Yeah.
yo, step back little bit, brother.
Yeah, man.
Are you virgin like that?
I'm in good, man. Yo, but I'm sorry about that, man. What-
Ah, you hear me and say still. You have a little thing more to deal with. See, me have a little business, bro.
Father, you don't know about that, you know. Here I go on, you know, deal with violence, and I deal with this woman and money, and I'm mostly woman, but I love money.
That is it. Listen to me, I say. Because you have to deal with money and you have to deal with a girl situation. See?
You know me, if you talk to them,
You know that me I talking about right now, because you know, yo, brother, ease up, man. Me not talk to you, bro. And you me and deal with sir. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
Big man thing, just even if you can back over there, so me talk to you generally a little bit.
One man
Afterward,
One man up.
but ask much question, man.
It does not. No, you understand.
Yeah, fire.
Yeah, what's going on?
As me I say, see? Daughter, and I'm paying money. Any money, you know, on 300,000. See? All you have to do is just make she feel comfortable talking to you. Build a bond with her. See? Come on, really and truly. She left one like a dirty football. You know Omar brother?
How good you that, man?
Dirty boy that.
No,
You understand
good
me?
youth,
Yeah,
man.
good youth. In a what way?
You know him?
Eh?
You know him?
But I say no way me, no like how. Me know him dirty ways. I know him lifestyle and that can fit certain things. So you want me I say more and you for now. There is my daughter. Now really day like day, you know. Just you know, like just make sure know say boy there is, you know, different trees out there in a forest.
Yeah.
And basically, you know, just make sure take her mind off a dirty foot Omar. That's all me really want. And 300,000 is blood, pepper yours. You understand me I say? So there's no complication.
300,000. You can give me a right somebody for you work right now. Trust me. You can't do that. 1, 2, man.
Father, you know, so me no, you know, so you know, come like you know good you do. You man talk to me and want give me 300,000. I come like you would have this 300, not true.
I
You
mean,
know nothing about you, brother.
Alright,
I show you
yo,
that
oh,
is
yo,
not how you
Hey,
be a girl,
hey,
brother.
we're gonna talk about this afterwards. See, want if you know this. You see when the deal done,
Yeah.
business done,
Yeah.
everything I cut. I want to get a call, let you.
Oh, you know. Oh, you know.
Yeah, the man for the job, you know. We know that thing, man. Cause people don't ring, you know. So me I said to you, say, when the thing done, remember say, every connection of a cut off with the daughter. Cause remember what?
Business.
A deal is a deal.
Yeah.
You understand me I say?
Yeah, man.
Business is a business.
You're right, bro.
That is it to the boss. Respect our manners.
Pick up myself, man. I say one too.
Alright, so we talk here.
All right.
Watch out. Digits.
Tell nobody about this in the family. Normally give man.
And me if it tell you say, nobody that tell nobody about this. You understand me I say? Business.
You want to hear me I talk?
Hey, left you alone.
All right.
And one more thing. Nobody fall in love, you know. You understand me I say?
Tell your daughter that, man.
Ah,
All right.
that man for the job. See it, sir?
Yeah, man, big up yourself,
Alright, we
man.
shall gather.
no, but you know hear what man say?
So not fall in love.
No, that.
That you
The
say, man.
man said nobody nothing going on. Me there I say them. Yeah, me there
So-
I say as if me hold 100,000.
100 what?
100.
Brother, what you calling me? Yo, me not even know you can link me today, brother. Tell her, me give her 50 if you deal work out, right? Cause remember I say, I don't like me a girl suck at that and you don't know.
But brother,
Yo, if you work out, me make you good. You see me, bro?
but that girl is my friend.
Yeah, but no
It
point,
a
no
work.
point them the level there, bro. You see me, if you work out, me give her 40,000. You see me?
You
Everything.
just say 50 now.
No, I mistake, man, I mistake. Why me I say if you work out 135 good, not true?
No, 70.
17,000.
70.
17,000, my bro. Me see you. Now link me. Me will link you. Me will link you.
Alright. One big girl is sitting.
Ah, God, it's so hot. Tired. Feel like I'm pressure. Mighty God, from morning I over clinic. Just I get through. Tired, I look so man. God, look bad man. And now we're Omar there. But from me, I see the door like Omar not there. I just know see up America and they know. Anywhere America they. I de Omar they. Lord go with the two of them. Ah Jesus, I load the dirty poop on him. I give me son a warm time. Warm time. But you see, my God when me serve, him no slumber nor sleep. Hey, it's alright. No feel sick. He not gonna get through with the wickedness where I do. It's alright. Woo.
Mommy.
Son, what's wrong? Omar? Omar?
Mommy.
Talk to me, what's wrong?
Mommy, not work. Not gonna work, mommy.
Omar, what is not working? What is wrong with you?
America.
What America do?
Your father.
Omar, where you get the mirror?
Mommy. All of my money when I work on the side. Save if you buy that from America. And my way, I go there go check her. I go gear it. Out of them gate, me hear America and your father talk. Mommy, father nah give me a chance in America life and he knows me loving daughter. The old boy just stubborn, mommy. Me hear my talk. So family workless and hungry and I pay breadfruit to your name and daddy run off gone a foreign. Mommy, all daddy fi blame Kino because mommy, daddy left the tree. Who all of them sit here, no mommy make you out here suffer, you know. Say me no fit for your daughter, you know, want me in your daughter life. And me come from out a toilet. And you know hear it. Him never realize that me did a listen. And him a running daughter like dog for going in the house. And his daughter tell him say, he love me.
Son, look at me. Look at me. We might come from the gutter, as what them say. But let me tell you this. Not because you come from the gutter, as what them say, and him think him up here so, him not better than you. You hear that? Listen what me I say. Not because him can wear nice clothes. No means him better than you.
Mommy, you know the worst thing about it? The way I'm frightened and I'm shocked. For you, the big man a deal with me. Behind me back in me, we know so me present at the moment. Mommy, me run go out the road. I think about the moment how the man a class me. Me was zone out to think about the situation. And me peep when me look and come back to reality. And the man drive down in car, me I think if I bounce the man or bounce me or what. And I go tell me say he want to talk to me. So me ask him say what you want to talk to me? Because by any idea you not give me a chance in your daughter life and you know your daughter love me and me love her. What you want to talk to me about? You know the man say mommy? Man say man offer me 300,000 to stay away from your daughter and come out in your daughter life. Because you're hungry and me hungry and I breadfruit with them. And I first me I go see them the money there. And me tell him say me no want it. I'm loving daughter and his daughter love me. And he go in and car, write his number on a piece of paper and fling it on me. And tell me say give me tomorrow, same place, same time, to make up my mind. But mommy, always tell me say what got to be. Got to be. But me take your number. But me have some plan for him, I say.
So Omar, alright, so him throw the number on you. What did you do? You just take it up?
I walk off.
Good.
After
Because
I
guess
walk off,
what? Guess what, Omar? Me glad you learn something while me I brought you up, you know. You understand what I say? You have good brought up, see?
I'm here for you. thump him down kind deserve it. I don't like
Violence no good. And you see the big stretch out man there? When done out in life in our younger days, I can't tell him that how to live fair life. That's why woman left him. Because he have no moral. Nothing to him he no have. You understand what I say? Listen, son, you're better than that. Me grow you if you have good self-esteem, believe in yourself.
I mean, I always believe in myself. I mean, no say, you see, way that big head man they do, he just no say, you see, one day, table have a turn. Then I will apologize back to me and my family.
But anyways, son, I have something to tell you. It been a rest on my mind for a while.
I mean, I tell me, say, I'm sick, you're sick.
No. So, me tell you this. Please, may I beg you. Forgive me. Me never mean no harm. Me just...
Mommy, your friend and boyfriend just saying, you're a big man in a long time. Work his daddy gone, you know.
So, me don't have time for boyfriend. Boyfriend are for young people.
So, you're saying,
say...
come here, will that permit you, mommy.
You know, say, Chris Papa reach out to me.
What you say, look well, mommy?
Me say your workless father reach out to me.
Mommy, me know you workless and you know you workless. But what you say, I say. Because I have too much things on my head and I'm going to take film stress and everything, mommy.
Alright, here we are. 3 to 4 months ago.
Mommy, if I something I go bother with daddy, so nobody say it, you know, because I'm not really make much in my life right now, you know.
Your father say he filing come through. He did a file. Wait now, Omar, listen me. Just hear me out.
Mommy, you're filing me.
Take
Somebody
care
file
of
for
me.
your foreign and take me a foreign.
But
So when
me
me go
never-
a foreign, who want you go there?
Listen, Omar.
Me no want you about it then, mommy. Me no want go with daddy there. I just someone want there. I want to suffer with you.
Omar, stop talk foolishness on my ears. It that better you go on. Because alright, this is 3 to 4 months ago when he reached out to me. I am afraid to say it to you. I hold it in me because me see how much you and Marika love one another. You understand what I say?
Mommy, right now you turn another role. Me I beg God, please, Father God, please. Me have a strong heart. Me know we're poor. But at least we're poor, but we mind are poor. We believe in poor. Brother, me can't see me and Marika together right now. I want to think about my father right now. I tell you the honest truth, mommy.
Alright, this is not about your father, son. This is about you. Right now, I'm tired of the man there. I look down upon you because what? Why? Just understand what I say, son. Before, me did me not gonna really say me did selfish, but me just keep it to myself. Me never really want you to leave me. And then me know say you love Marika. But now, we don't have a choice. Because the man a make it hard for you. So I better you just go on and listen. What's to be, got to be. Right?
Mommy, what you tell me, say? You tell me, say, my father, where is not a father in my life. Me, if you just get up and left my mother or my father in my life and run with my mother, I know a tribulation of me, I go through the love of my life right now. And if you left your out there, I know say you're sick. What you tell me, say, mommy?
Son, don't worry about me. Me live my life already. Take the opportunity and go on, get a work. Set yourself 2 years trying to know who to tell. 10 years down the line. things change for you, you can come back a yard, come and do what you have to do. So just listen.
This will call mommy opportunity.
Yes. You know, see we are struggle.
Opportunity. The last thing me tell public, America father, tell him say, to the fee tomorrow for me.
So just think about it. You hear me tell her?
I have nothing to think about money. As much as me know I'm going to father there, I take the opportunity for me.
That's my son.
And for you and for America.
Why you not left out America though?
Can I left more than my heart?
Know yourself. You're America and I'm a prayer. You hear me tell her? I go outside, go finish the go rake up a yard or something. So just do what you have to do.
Mommy, my drop, mommy. It's a public serve. Goes around, come back around. I fix up before we leave here. Never plan for you.
Hello?
Marika,
Yeah.
yeah man, Omar. Where your father there?
My father not there and gone from the road.
I'm going up on the road. You wanna? I have something urgent, well important to tell you. Go and link me right now. Right now.
Alright, me I come. Run your yard? Alright.
Alright,
Really good.
sure.
Yeah. What do I have some yeah, shit.
Just now, see mom, just like see.
You always a sing so why you never see me today?
Sure, alright.
I'm good.
You know what I'm saying? You have something more to say to you. Can't keep secret from you.
Oh, more something more to let you.
Love you,
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself
yeah.
and
Mom,
just
you have enough time.
No.
Sure. Sure.
and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Yes.
but I don't wanna
Really
jinx it,
enjoy
baby. That's not
making love to you, and I wish like this could have just continue for your rest of life. You know, just get all together. You know, kids. From your father in a picture. You know, I believe in a way, I believe in myself, and believe in it, but I don't think that's possible at this moment.
What do you mean by you're gonna believe that possible at this moment?
Believe you know, say your father. Right now, basically, you soon have to cut.
Yeah. But when you can't let my father get in a total business.
Babes,
At one point, I have to get over all of this.
babes, but you want to believe
Everything
it or
comes
not,
for your time.
in the moment, in our life, and not only in our life, it come like water, salt, and ticks. It come like supermarket, it come like pharmacy,
You know
it come
that.
like party, it come like in a car from. Babes, what you say? You say you have something to tell me.
You say you have something to tell me.
Oh shit. These are babes.
Oh,
Close.
present?
Crazy. You don't trust me.
I just your
Say
word.
you are your text and close. No peeking. No peeking.
You can open now?
Not yet.
No?
Not yet.
No?
Not yet.
No?
Right now.
Oh my god.
Like it.
I love it. I don't know if it's silver, man. Not silver, gold.
Basically, this is me, right? Me, I just me. Me, are the person that fall in love with.
Yes.
From school days till now.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, out the door. I don't know out the door. I know what tomorrow will do. But this means a lot to me.
And you mean a lot to me as well, but
And also, I know you have me in your heart. And I just want to give you a picture of remembrance. I mean,
but me never see it every day.
Just listen. Sometimes I up on a road I drive, the road bad patrol the night. Every patrol on different situation. I don't know why situation. Just have them here where you can remember me. If something bad
And I
happen.
like how you talk.
I'm matter of fact, what you say you want to tell me?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I joke because I'm not know if it's a like, I'm just stay excited to see you. That's why I'm saying that something like that.
You love me?
Mm-hmm.
Love me.
Yes.
You have love. I have in love. You love me and in love with me.
I love you.
If you wanna lie to me,
No.
so you're not gonna tell me.
No.
Basically, what I want to tell you, it's not really important. I'll go over here.
But I come up on the phone so excited. Everything alright?
Hold on there. Me turn on idiot. When you some live?
Yes.
Babes, come on, you have to come right now. Mommy soon come.
Later. Me come,
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky.
Right, one tape. Jesus Christ, man. Look how long me said to take a blinking so that chunk. Eh? Something wrong with you? You don't understand what I'm going. Bring it up, man. Hold on, 1 second. Hold on, buddy. Who you think if you ask me that? Hello? Go on, man, what about that
The
situation?
person in the back, they stuck in the back.
Go on up, man, go on up, go on up, go on up.
It's a public, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Remember, you tell me, say, me change my mind to call you. Yeah. Same spot. Yeah, man. Me there wait.
What are you saying to me? That sound good, man. Yeah, man, I'll definitely. So you do right now? Just give me a few minutes, man. Jeez, I want no bag. Yeah, man. All right, so me a forward, man. Just give me about. Oh, walking distance. All right, yeah, man. Same. Why you smart, you know?
Yeah, man. Me there wait. Respect.
All right. Me a forward. You know that boy in the love line. You see? Father's intuition to riches. You might like a party and give.
I have a plan for you. Maybe now. Sure, they gotta be on.
Smart boy. Smart boy. Smart boy. Yeah, man. Don't worry about that, man. Good. What may I say still? You know you don't come to your senses, you know. You understand?
Someone want to get this clear. Very clear.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really understand someone understand.
Yeah, take the money right now, take the money, because we have signed the deal, right?
So you offer me 300,000. 300,000 you offer me.
Mm-hmm.
Stay away from your daughter.
Let me say stay away from your dad. What you talking?
I mean, say you pay me 300,000.
Mm-hmm.
Stay away from avoid your daughter. Come out of your daughter like you are paying me 300,000. Right?
If you come out, I'm not stay away. Stay away means there's a way back. You get what I say? So this is 300,000 here, after you. Take your money there, take your money. Yeah, man, take the money, man. Smart boy, man. I see you still very dirty out there. Whoa!
One question. I don't really remember. So that what date?
Today?
Yeah, date.
You that done? Eh?
Very done. Back of your class.
Today
June or
is
July?
the 21st of June. 2025. Yeah?
21st of June.
21st of June. that is when you forget about well, you can't keep the love, right?
Yeah, man.
You and the love can name shit afterwards, eh?
Respect, man.
And you know, as we say, we sign business and take the money.
First, me have so much money, you know.
Of course, don't worry about yourself. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man.
Respect.
Everything good, man. Wait, so what goes around now comes around. So what you shake me on for? Me try to shake your dirty stinking and anyone shake me on. Eh?
Yeah, man, I will stay away from your daughter, man.
Forever.
Nice purse, though.
Carry her for a blessing. Eh?
You don't talk now?
Happiest day of my life. We don't take long time. You can take time go and where you go. Matter of fact, do what you do. But remember now, the deal is a deal, right? Hey, I'm talking to you, sir.
You can keep back your number here.
Listen, you, eh?
Come on,
No, I
give
have
up
a number
yourself,
already,
man.
so yeah, give me some sense to me. Enjoy yourself.
Maybe me not go in today. You don't even know if I just load you and walk in and want chop. I go pay off. Maybe not today, but I go pay off. Mr. Public.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Some mom own a thing, you know. I mean, not just I understand what really they want. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want to go in yard and my father. That's what I'm saying. My house.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Yo, I see me a chop out on a brother. That's your bad dog, what go on? You cook food and me know you no left none for me.
No, me cook, you know, so I don't have patsy, me go get the food and come back.
Patsy food are my favorite, you know. You know none.
I mean, if you want none, brother, good old a pork board, you're crazy. How you do?
Alright, tell her.
You not share them a food, you know?
It's some and left some for me. So what are you doing?
Today I go and use the boy. Don't start me food and me afraid.
You.
Mm.
You need to rape my brother. If you did rape me, that call me. And that's why I can't parody a certain way, brother. I tell her the truth.
I beg me, go beg me. No, you're not too eat everywhere, you know, my friend. Because, you know, you're a gal, you know.
But that no matter, bro. Food and girl is not nothing to do with each other, bro. Nothing to do with each other.
Oh, that.
Don't move. Don't eat food neither. Don't move.
Alright, now let's up.
Hello. Hello, me see like something that person. Oh, not job. Sorry, me could have swear some money drop out your pocket. Hold on, come here now. How you run go? How you run go so fast?
Yeah, go about my business over that concern.
You're not really concerned, but you must like you have a red soup on your face. Me just want to know if you're alright.
Me told you.
You sure?
Don't die
No, I mean, I don't talk.
Why?
You're not yes.
Yes.
So you can't wait, look at it.
Yeah, I can't.
So you win him.
First and foremost, I'm supposed to say what is your name.
So what is your name? My apologies. What is your name?
Well, my name is Marika. And your
Marika.
name is?
My name is David. Nice to meet you, Marika.
Okay, nice to meet you.
So why you look so upset now, Marika?
Family issues. No.
I understand how that go, man. So where you heading to?
Me I go down the road.
You want company down the road?
No, me alright.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure, you look like you know how you're doing.
Me say me alright.
Alright, so I could have get your number, Miss Martha, for
No.
continue I can know. No Instagram, no Snapchat,
No,
nothing.
me not depend on that.
Nothing at all.
Me not depend on that.
Alright, me not for sure.
You understand now? Alright, so have a wonderful evening.
Alright, you as well. You see what? Not true.
Me don't know.
Alright, you see what?
Excuse me.
Hello.
You need them done, right?
Yeah, dog.
I mean, you said earlier on today. We kind of did go through some stuff, but I'm really sorry for all my deal with you. I don't know some mistake, you understand? I mean, I say, I make you look good. I know, I know what my man say, but never boyfriend. I always say, you know.
Hold on there. Martha, right? Alright, you want to tell us that we really appreciate you coming to the farm. If you want to don't listen for true. If you want to hear for true, you know, tell her right. But I saw you go and think something, you know. That means I really appreciate you coming to me. So, and yeah, when they are looking for true, but not because me look at how I'm you know, that do so. You don't have to go out of your life, really. You see, man, one very nice girl. I love to get to know you just to see him. Is that okay with us? That way, you know, I'll become more down. Alright. This is your spiritual start time today, but don't worry about it. Thanks a lot. So, we'll see you around then. Alright. You can smile sometimes, you know. Show your pretty face. Bye-bye. Don't forget, do it again.
Mami! Mami!
Yes, my boy. Yes, you're ready now?
Yeah, mommy.
Oh, God. Boy, you look. I don't even know the word.
Mommy,
But why?
thanks you back here. Really mean a lot to me.
You look good, you look good.
Mommy, you know, so we don't really have it, you know. And I want suit them wear morning, noon, and night. I am going about me grateful to see me because I look life and make life for me.
Oh, man. Stop worrying about one suit. And your clothes, you wear it as much as you. And furthermore, America you go. So you see you go over there, you see clothes till you not even know what you wear.
I'm just nervous.
Calm down.
Mommy, the glass don't look like a woman glass, mommy.
Not the glass, Omar. What is wrong with you?
Mommy, hold on.
You come here and get too anxious. What are these?
You are one now. You trust me?
Yes, son, trust you.
Now. This is my phone, my hold on for me. If me come back to Jamaica, or when me come back to Jamaica, me have a special, matter of fact, exhibit 1 evidence on a phone. Really important to me. I'm a restaurant. Also, this a bag here, and 300,000.
300 what?
300,000, mommy.
So, Omar,
Yes, mommy.
you mean to tell me so you take the money from public?
Mommy, when you listen me, you take the money. Remember me, sit down right here, son, talk, and I tell us I have a plan. See, plan what I have, take the money, but not take it, we spend it. This is my receipt for when I come back to Jamaica. This is my receipt for America. Also, the phone I give you. Me tape him and give me everything and tell me, say, he might pay me 300,000 if he come out and daughter life. So this is the only receipt what me have. You don't need the money, you know that, mommy. So I just want you to put this safe at one place in me. The money, the purse, the 300,000. The date and everything up on it. You know me not want the money. Just believe in my mother.
You believe in you. Listen, no worry yourself. All you have to do, go America, hold your head up high, and not lose focus, right? You go America for do what?
Better my life.
Better your life for me, right?
America.
Don't forget that. And always remember where you're coming from. Because if you don't remember that, you're not going to reach nowhere. You hear me say? So,
Mommy, one more thing. You know, so we don't have it. But me help me help 5. Wish you could have come at the airport with me. I'll want taxi me and take her at the airport. Mommy, thank you for your suitcase.
come on, my co-worker. I ask one suitcase because she have a lot, you know, and she just spare me one. So,
Mommy, thank you a lot.
so
Yeah.
never miss you, man.
Love you too, mommy. Love. Never miss you too. Miss you already.
So you go, boy. When you want good, you know it's a run. But listen to me, I say now. You know you're worried about America. You don't need to worry about America. Because guess what? What fear, I fear. And what belongs to you, when you lose it, it will come right back to you. You hear me tell her?
You say sometimes what's next to be, next to be. America really belongs in my heart. Think about it.
Man, public. Alright, my boy.
Yeah, man.
The prayers go with you, here.
Yeah, mommy. Mommy. Okay.
Love you too, my boy. Just hope you keep your head high. And me grow you. So you go do what's right. I have to take your meeting so long.
That good, man. Talk, man. I really appreciate you having me chance and I invite me over and all that stuff.
Yeah, but you were good.
Yeah, of course, me good. You good.
You were good. I really appreciate you coming over here because from one day I go through a lot. And you really coming in my life and make me feel comfortable and happy.
I got my day from I wish me all you come in your life earlier. I don't have to be a long time. Yeah, man, I feel so sad though.
Just my father, but I know my father will accept that I think.
Man, your father good man.
You sure?
Sure, yeah.
Well, the last guy, when did I talk to? I never accept him, so no.
See that? The last guy where you talk to never me.
Yeah,
My father accept me, I'm sure about it.
anything else, but my dad said come over here and do this.
Yeah, I'm there.
But you don't have no other girlfriend.
I come from.
No, I'm sure.
See that? I couldn't give it more than 1 month at a time. I'm not like that.
I take your word for it and anything I say.
Even my word is my bond. The things I don't like thief and liars. My word is my bond.
I'm like that.
But anyways, I think mama call, so
You want to go?
no, I time enough here.
How do you want?
I know you're not good enough to go and cook and so.
You cook for your mother?
Not really all the time, but some of the time in life you surprise. I'm full of surprises, you know.
Oh my, that's nice.
Yeah. Only for surprises there for you, you know. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Well, go and go cook for you and share with time.
Alright, bye bye.
Alright, bye.
I want some money.
Gotcha. General, you good?
Yeah, man, me good.
You good, man?
So, yeah, what now? Where you carry?
I want to carry right up myself. I want to sit down and call him and car wash. But you don't know, say, you know, we can't just, you know, stay
Yeah.
at a certain place and so forth. But I want to sit here, you know.
Serious, you know?
When I see Davy,
Yeah, them man never there. All you can find them, you know. It's either them there one girl enter or one girl or female, you know. Yeah, man.
film style that to them, yo, cause good vibe, I don't see him figure really, you know,
Oh, again,
shout
it's
him
not
up certain
mine.
way, you know. But then again, you remember one youth named Omar?
Omar.
Yeah.
I mean, a good youth that.
Good
Omar,
youth
a
what?
good youth.
Which-
I mean,
Eh?
yeah.
So him there now?
Ain't they?
Yeah.
Them the man they youth, you don't even know them, the man they fly out.
You mean fly out?
I mean, them
Oh,
man
tight
they-
town?
Hotel place, the man fly out, me I tell him, man, gone overseas.
Yeah,
big
said to
city.
me. Alright,
Yeah, man.
alright. That
And
sounds
then
like
man,
a
they all
plan.
come back and say, yo, them a bust some my youths, them thing.
Yeah.
Man. I mean, a good youth.
Well, anything is possible at the end of the
I
day,
mean,
you know,
no
you
more
know?
long time, man.
Yeah, man, so what you do for yourself?
Like I said,
Yeah.
I just a try to get a better life, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, man, I'm going easy.
Okay. Yeah, man, you have to go and do it, man.
I mean, so I try my best, you know.
Yeah. But then again, so, fear boy will my money though.
Hmm?
Fear boy will
I
my money that I have.
can't talk to you about that.
But that's true. But anyway, you know the thing still, you know what I mean? Bless myself, you know.
Yeah.
So if
Pick
push
up
come to
yourself,
shove.
because I can't go up to you, you know.
Yeah, because
And
you
I
real.
one cat to them want to program.
Alright. I'm just glad said everything work out. Thank you. Father. Father in. Even though I can't go it up. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Oh, my, come out of my life. The daughter go, alright. Yes. I go for my car.
Good evening, baby girl. Wow. You're so polite. These generation of children that we have nowadays, they don't even know how to say good evening, good morning. Mighty God. Come out of the rain. Come out of the rain. Who is your mother? Marika. Marika is your mother? And who is your father by any chance? Like, who is your daddy? Davida. Davidan is your father? Okay. Alright, so you're okay though. Alright, baby girl, have a wonderful day. And may the good Lord bless you, okay? And continue to be that polite little girl that you are, alright? Okay. Davidan.
Mommy, nah work. Nah go work, mommy.
Omar, what is not working? What is wrong with you?
Marika.
Can't be. No. Hey! Hi!
Wait,